Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 21 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/5/3. Question 21 says, in the given figure, point D divides the side BC of triangle ABC in the ratio 1:2. Find the length of AD. The point D divides the side BC in the ratio 1:2. We can get the coordinates of the point D using the section formula. After which, we can use the distance formula to get the distance AD. D of x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. M is to n is given as 1:2. Here x1, y1 is the coordinates of point B and x2, y2 is the coordinates of point C. Substituting these values, we get d of x comma y is equal to 1 times 4 plus 2 times minus 2 upon 1 plus 2, comma 1 times 2 plus 2 times 1 upon 1 plus 2. On solving this, we get 0, comma 4 upon 3. Now we can use the distance formula to get the length of AD. The distance formula is root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Substituting the values of x1, we get root 0 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 is 4 upon 3 minus y1 is 5. 4 by 3 minus 5 the whole square, which is minus 1 the whole square plus taking the LCM, we get minus 11 upon 3 the whole square, which is root 1 plus 121 upon 9, that is root 130 upon 9, which gives us root 130 upon 3 units. So this is the length of AD. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.